Okay, so let's take a look at the beverage inventory tracker, and we do this in AppSheet, right? So first thing would be to create the database, right? And for that, let me load the tabular view. By default, you get something like this. So we ignore this and create a new table. So in new table, we'll be renaming this to beverage, right? And once we rename this, we will also rename the database, right? So now I will get rid of one of the column that we don't use, and also we will add the new one where we have it as item name, which is text. I will make this as label column so that I can get rid of the untitled one. Now then, next column would be type, which should be enum, and there should be drop down value like same. And we can keep on adding, right? Once we add all these values, we will just save this. Now next would be the cost. So how much is each one priced? We'll add number for that. Then we will also use quantity, which is also going to be a number, and I will save this. Finally I will try and add notes. So all of this given, I will go back to the dashboard where you can see I have no apps, so I will click create, then click app, start with existing data. Now I will name this beverage tracker inventory, right? So there should be inventory type. Okay, so inventory management, choose your data, then we go and pick this particular database and table. So here you have beverage table, select that, click create app, right? Once you have this, you will find that it will load the view for the same, right? And for that, we'll just close this default view, and you can see this is the default view. I will go to views and then try and modify some of the things, like I want tabular view. I will also remove the sort by and group by. Right now I will save this and try to view this in desktop view, right? So if I go to this particular desktop view, it should open in new tab. If I click beverage inventory, let's name this something like right. Its type is cost is this, quantity 1. Considering decimal place is not considered, I will just use 9, right? I will save this and it should appear like this. So every time we make sale, we will add and populate this particular table, so that when we publish the app and we view this, we will be able to get all the inventory and also sales if you add that another column within this particular tracker of the app, right? So you get the idea how to make the beverage inventory tracker app within Google App Sheet.